Hello friends, welcome back to Bhurag recipes. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. In today's video, you are going to see a simple and quick healthy soup, that is tomato soup. So let's get started with our recipe. Into a cooker, add 2 large ripe tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 medium diced carrot. Into this, add 1½ cups of water. Now place the lid with weight and let it whistle for 2 to 3 on high flame. Even you can boil the veggies in a vessel and you can use them as well. Once the pressure is released, open the lid and check whether the veggies are perfectly cooked or not. Once it is completely cooled, add the boiled veggies into a blender jar. And also add 2 ladles of vegetable stock from boiled veggies. Now blend it into a fine puree. Now into a vessel, strain the prepared tomato puree. With the help of strainer, you can discard the seeds from tomato. Now repeat the same process with rest of the puree as well. Now adjust the consistency of soup by adding some water. Now give a quick mix and bring it to a boil on high flame. Now add 1 or 2 spoons of sugar just to cut off the sourness from tomatoes. And also add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. You can adjust the quantity of pepper powder according to your spice level. Now give a quick mix and bring to a boil. For healthier option, I didn't add any cornflour slurry to our tomato soup. If you want for extra creamy thick soup, you can add it. Once it comes to a rolling boiling, turn off the flame and transfer to a serving bowls. See how simple it is to prepare a healthy and quick tomato soup at home. And also top it with some roasted bread cubes. Do try it with your friends and family and share your recipe pictures with me in Instagram. Now simply check out the ingredients on screen. And for healthier and quick recipes, do follow Bhurag recipes. Please do eat healthy, stay safe and stay home. Thanks for watching. And also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.